So what if I told you your existing Tapo Wi-Fi cameras can also work with your VIGI NVR? Yes, your C110, C200, even your Tapo Doorbell. In this video, I'll show you how to connect ONVIF-enabled TP-Link Tapo Wi-Fi cameras and unlock the full potential of your NVR setup. If you're just getting started, I highly recommend watching our earlier videos in the VIGI NVR and Camera series. In this video, you'll learn how to connect Tapo Cameras to VIGI NVR, required settings on Tapo app, adding cameras manually using ONVIF. Let's get started. First, understand this. Tapo cameras are not directly part of the VIGI ecosystem, but they support something called ONVIF. This allows your VIGI NVR to recognize and connect Tapo cameras and also different brands' cameras easily. All right, let's start with the most important step. We need to enable something called ONVIF inside your Tapo camera. Now, what does this actually mean? By default, your Tapo camera only works inside the Tapo app. But when we enable ONVIF, we are allowing other devices, like your VIGI NVR, to access this camera. Think of it like opening a door. So your NVR can now see and talk to your camera. All right, let's start with the most important step. We need to enable something called ONVIF inside your Tapo camera. Now open your Tapo app, select your camera, go to Settings, then Advanced Settings. Here you'll find Camera Account. This is basically your ONVIF login. Enable it and create a new username and password. Save to enable ONVIF on your camera. Done? Perfect. Now your camera is ready to connect. Now, let's move to the VIGI NVR and add our Tapo camera. In our previous video, we saw how to access the VIGI NVR using a web browser on the same network. So instead of using the monitor interface, we'll log in using that method. Open your browser and type the IP address of your NVR. Enter your username and password, and now you have full access to your NVR right from your computer. This makes it much easier to configure settings and add cameras. Now, after logging into your NVR web dashboard, before we go ahead, make sure of one important thing. All the cameras you want to connect are switched on and connected to the same network as your NVR. Now, inside the dashboard, go to Settings, and here you'll notice something interesting. The NVR has already detected some cameras, even though we haven't added them yet. This happens automatically when cameras are available on the same network. So now, let's see how to actually add these detected cameras. In this case, adding a camera becomes much easier. Simply select the detected camera, click on Add. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just click on Confirm. Now, you'll see the camera under Added Devices. But notice this. The camera status is showing Not Certified. So why is that happening? This simply means the NVR has detected the camera, but it doesn't yet have the correct login credentials. To fix this, go to the Action column. Click on the Edit icon. Now the Edit screen will open. Enter the ONVIF username and password, the same ones we created earlier in the Tapo app. Now click on Apply, and that's it. The camera is now successfully connected and fully working on your VIGI NVR. You can now view the live feed of your added camera. Just go to the Live View option, select your camera, camera feed loads on screen, and instantly you'll see the video right here. Now, what if your camera is not showing in the auto-detected list? This can happen sometimes, especially with third-party cameras or network differences. So in this case, we'll add the camera manually using its IP address. go to Settings tab. Then under Device Access, select Add Manually. Now the manual setup screen will appear. Enter the IP address of your camera. Select Transfer Protocol as ONVIF. Now, in the port field, enter 2020. This is the default ONVIF port used by Tapo Cameras. And enter the username and password, the ONVIF credentials we created earlier in the Tapo app. Once that's set, click Confirm to apply the settings. And just like that, you'll now see the camera under the Devices Added section. And the camera is now successfully added and connected. Now, go to the Live View tab, select your camera, and instantly you'll see the live feed right here. Your camera is now fully working inside your VIGI NVR. Similarly, I've also added and connected my TP-Link Tapo Doorbell camera. And the process is exactly the same. It's really that easy. So whether it's a C100 fixed field camera, TC70 PTZ camera, or even a D130 doorbell camera, you can bring all of them into one NVR setup. So that's how you can connect your Tapo cameras to a VIGI NVR and manage everything from a single dashboard. In the next video, we'll explore how to add a third-party ONVIF camera. Don't miss that. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe to Gadgets Pod Tried and Tested. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.